The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents a video about what is good and what is bad about affiliate marketing. There are some absolutely amazingly good things about affiliate marketing that you are probably not aware of. They will be revealed in this video. There are also some surprisingly bad things about affiliate marketing that no one wants to talk about. These will be revealed also. Why is Mr. P sharing this information? His intention is not to dissuade you from becoming an affiliate marketer, it is to simply make you more aware and therefore stronger and more able to traverse the affiliate marketing terrain. Forewarned is forearmed, so let us continue. When you hear that you can make an extreme income as an affiliate marketer, is it true? You certainly can. The reason is one that most jobs do not offer. Affiliate marketing provides you with what is called leverage. How does this work? You can create one or more money-making websites today. Tomorrow, you can do it all over again, and then the next day. And so on. This kind of financial leverage is called duplication. The site you created today can earn you money today, tomorrow, the next day, and so on. This is called the residual effect. This means that you can continue to add more and more income-producing sites, unlocking what is called the cumulative effect. When you are told that your income potential is staggering, it is true, and leverage is why. If you are seeking extra income with the potential of creating a full-time income, affiliate marketing is worthy of your attention. As an affiliate marketer, you get to work from home, you avoid the need to commute. No commute means that you save gas, you save time, and avoid the stress that can go along with commuting. Other benefits are time flexibility. You can work from almost anywhere. You are your own boss. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that you can deduct your business expenses from your taxes. Your tax savings can be significant. See your tax consultant for all the details. Many jobs end up trapping us in a financial rut. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it gives you the opportunity to get paid what you are really worth. Most importantly is that you can begin affiliate marketing at no cost. There is no need to spend any money until your new business can afford it. Does affiliate marketing have any negatives? Of course. None of the negatives are deal breakers, they are simply facts that you want to be aware of. Affiliate marketing is an acquired skill. As with any other skill, it involves learning and experience and persistence. If you are willing to work at affiliate marketing, it will work for you. Affiliate marketing also requires tools and resources in order to do your job, and to help make your job easier, faster, and more efficient. Since you will be learning a new skill, reliable training or tutoring or mentoring is going to be necessary. The good news is that everything you need, tools, training, and resources, everything you need is available for free. There is no reason for you to pay for anything until your business can afford it. Which brings us to a negative that no affiliate marketer likes to talk about. Nevertheless, this negative is very real and one that you need to know about. As a new affiliate marketer, you will be placing yourself in a highly profitable niche or niches. You become that target of many other affiliate marketers. Most are good guys and gals, some are not. All, however, want to sell you something. Again, you do not need to spend money, you can find free affiliate marketing tools and resources that work well. Check out Mr. P's ultimate list of free tools and resources below. You will also be presented with opportunities that you simply cannot pass up. Do not be in a hurry to get involved. There are a number of hard lessons about online opportunities that follow. Most do not work. Based on Mr. P's experience, only one opportunity in 9 works. Free or paid. Most opportunities fail. Very few opportunities are actual scams, but many opportunities are based on misleading factors that are never disclosed. In other words, undisclosed factors such as having a large following, or a large mailing list can almost guarantee success. As a beginner, you do not have that kind of an advantage, which may make your success extremely difficult or impossible. Another often undisclosed factor is cost. Most fast-track online success opportunities are based on paid traffic, which is fine. However, most gurus, nowadays, are willing to engage in ventures as long as they break even. Their ultimate goal is the list that the break-even venture creates. That is all well and good, but it can mean that you are presented with an opportunity that has $1 million potential with $1 million cost. What this means to you is that most exciting opportunities are simply shiny objects that steal your time and your money. So do not be in a hurry to take advantage of these opportunities. since most will end up taking advantage of you.
If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up. Turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thanks you. And if you are interested in making money from home, I invite you to subscribe and ring the bell so Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded.
Next is the fact that your awesome opportunity is backed up with proof. Unfortunately, proof is easily created. Anyone can generate fake income, fake checks, fake testimonials, fake ClickBank accounts, fake ownership, fake traffic, fake buyers, fake data of any kind, fake whatever they need and more. The bottom line is that it is nearly impossible to be able to trust what you are seeing or hearing. So what do? Look before you leap. A few quick searches may help you. Check out the company, brand name, and owners by inserting the names followed by the word complaints. Hopefully you will find a lot of information. Although you still need to be careful, this little tip alone should reveal the true status of your opportunity. Another tip is to listen to your gut, especially if it's sending bad vibes. And, as much as you and I want to believe that we can become overnight millionaires with almost no effort, we both know when a promise is too good to be true. If you give affiliate marketing a try, you could be enjoying all its benefits, perks, and advantages, in as little as 2 to 3 months. Affiliate marketing takes effort and persistence. You will need to keep plugging when things go wrong. You will need to keep going when you are tired or do not feel like it. If you have that kind of an entrepreneurial tenacity and mindset, affiliate marketing is probably going to be a perfect fit. Affiliate marketing can be a remarkable journey, possibly one of the best decisions you will ever make. So how do you get started? Mr. P has 4 suggestions. The first suggestion is to join this channel for help and free training. You are also invited to check out 2 training series for beginners. One of the series is how to make $150 a day as an affiliate marketer. The other series ties in with the first. It is $1 million side hustle for beginners. You will find links to each training series below. Mr. P's 4th suggestion is that you take a look at his number 1 recommendation for making money online, which is a fast-track affiliate marketing training program to earn $10,000 or more per month in a few short months. Mr. P feels that it is the best, or certainly, one of the best on the internet. Click the link below where it says Start Here so Mr. P can send you the details. Allow me to wish you much success. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Please be sure to like, share, and comment. Do not forget to subscribe so Mr. P can let you know when a new video is uploaded. Watch this next.